Welcome to my video on phases of the moon for September 2025. The phases of the moon come about because of the geometry between the Earth and the moon and the sun. So the different portions of the moon are sunlit, and we see different parts of it as it rotates around the Earth in its monthly orbit. We start out the month in September 1st with the waxing gibbous phase, and the moon is growing towards a full moon. And we'll see the full moon on September 7th, and this is sometimes called the corn moon. This has to do with association of the harvesting of corn or maize. And also, if you're in Asia, you're going to see a lunar eclipse. And then the moon is slowly receding in size, the waning gibbous phase, 8th through the 13th. And then we end up the third quarter, which is September 14th and 15th. And one thing nice about this, if you've got a small telescope, is a great time to look at the moon because you can see the terminator, which is the area between the light and the dark. You can see a lot of good cratering. Gives you a good shadow contrast. And then the moon continues to recede September 16th to the 20th in the waning crescent phase. And end up in the new moon, and the moon is really just currently, you might see a little sliver. It's going to be close to the sun. And you might be able to see a little bit of illumination on the moon, and that's earth glow. That's reflected sunlight from the earth going to the moon and then back into your eye. So it's usually faint. And then the waxing crescent phase, as we're slowly growing in size again, September 22nd through the 28th. And then we're going to round out the month in the first quarter phase. Another half moon. Hope you got something out of this video and liked it, and keep looking at the moon.